Hello everyone and welcome to artis.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to close your jewelry, be it your necklace or your bracelet, using lobster clasp and jump rings. Now today I'll be showing you how to use these clasps and of course the jump ring. Now this clamshell already has a loop here, so we're going to take this lobster clasp. Now you would have seen this in your jewelry, right? This already has a closed loop. Now this is very easy. All you need to do is you need to slide it through this loop here and we are going to close the loop. Make sure the loop is closed properly. Okay, there you go, your clasp is attached now. Now we go to the other end of the bracelet. Now I need some loops, okay, so that I can adjust sizes, right? So for that I'm going to use something called jump rings. Now these rings you might have already seen in your jewelry. Okay, they can be used for adjusting sizes of your bracelet and your necklaces, right? Now I actually have a silver jump ring. Now this is really very small to demonstrate, so I'm going to use a bigger one. Don't mind the color, okay? I'm just using a bigger one to show you very clearly how to open and close a jump ring. Okay, now the jump ring is fully closed, right? Now you can actually see the part where it is actually attached, right? You can actually move it this way. Okay, be sure you do it very safe and you do not get hurt. Now we can actually close this loop down. So I'm going to use my round nose pliers. I'm going to close this loop. Now I'm going to take the jump ring and pass it. Now let me show you how to close a jump ring. All you need to do is press it tight. And close it down. There you go. This is very simple, okay? And now you have your lobster clasp and your jump ring attached to your bracelet. Now this piece of jewelry is complete. Now you can make your own jewelry, and if you come across some really good collection of your creativity, don't forget to send me your pictures. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.